Binance and some other large crypto exchanges like Kraken are in the process of being sued in the UK at London's Competition Appeal Tribunal that started all the way back in 2022 in a case that's being brought on behalf of over 200,000 BSV or Bitcoin SV holders for a massive £10 billion, which is about $13 billion, because they state that these exchanges colluded and delisted BSV unfairly back in April 2019, citing UK competition law and anti-competitive behaviour, which negatively affected the price of BSV and led to lost opportunities for holders of this cryptocurrency. And I covered this in more detail in a video that you can find a link to here and in the description if you want to check this out. But we heard some more news regarding this lawsuit recently that we'll be looking at in this video. So please do like this video and subscribe to the channel so I can continue to offer more content for you in future. Just a quick reminder, you can contact me if you're looking for crypto coaching. You can also sign up for a free account with Coinly using the links in the description to this video, which is one of the best automated crypto tax platforms out there. If you're looking for more specific tax advice based on your personal circumstances, I've partnered with a leading crypto tax company in Minor, and I'll leave a link to contact them directly in the description to this video. And finally, I've included a link to Trezor's website in the description for anyone looking for one of the best hardware wallets or cold storage that's out there, with 2 new models released recently in the Trezor Safe 3 and Trezor Safe 5. Just a reminder that nothing contained here is financial advice, and let's jump straight in and take a look in more detail. As I covered previously, Binance tried to get most of the charges against it thrown out of court in June 2024, worth up to £10 billion or $13 billion, with none of the other crypto exchanges or defendants actually participating in this legal challenge. And since then, we received an update on the 26th of July 2024 in a 34-page legal judgment by the Competition Appeal Tribunal, stating that Binance has failed in its appeal and that this huge claim against the crypto exchanges is now set to go to trial in the UK, with a trial date due to be set at a case management hearing later this year. And I've included a link to the documents on this case in the description of this video if you want to check them out for yourself. But following this decision by the Competition Appeal Tribunal, Lord David Currie, who's the person who brought this case on behalf of BSV holders in the UK through the company BSV Claims Limited, whose website I've included a link to in the description of this video, called this a significant day for UK holders of BSV, because crypto asset exchanges are being subjected to the same competition laws now as other businesses. And he hopes that this case will strengthen investor protection as well as enhance the UK's status as a jurisdiction at the forefront of crypto asset law. And in case you weren't aware of BSV, Bitcoin SV, or the longer Bitcoin Satoshi vision, well, it's a blockchain that was created in November 2018 after a hard fork of the Bitcoin Cash network, with the aim of restoring and fulfilling the original vision of the Bitcoin protocol. And there are some differences with it and the current Bitcoin blockchain, with Bitcoin SV having a much larger block size with no real limit, with the aim of scaling better, being cheaper, more energy efficient, and it can support smart contracts and NFTs. And just for full transparency, I don't hold any Bitcoin SV myself. It has a max supply of 21 million Bitcoin SV, uses the proof of work consensus mechanism to verify transactions, and has Satoshi Nakamoto's original Bitcoin white paper on its website. You can see here that it's currently the cryptocurrency with the 87th largest market cap, standing at over $855 million at the time of recording this video. However, you can see its longer term price since November 2018 here. And let's then compare this to Bitcoin Cash. which has a market cap of over $6.8 billion at the time of recording this video, versus Bitcoin SV's 855 million. And then let's compare these to the price of BTC and Bitcoin over exactly the same time frame, with the adoption it's obviously had, with Bitcoin obviously having the largest market cap of any cryptocurrency, standing at over $1.2 trillion at the time of recording this video. So coming back to Binance now, given that it isn't registered to offer crypto services to UK users now due to the FCA, with there being no fiat on-ramp or off-ramp, some other services are restricted on Binance also for UK users, and that's only if you have an existing account, because they're not accepting new UK users. But a member of the House of Lords, Edward Visey, who's also a former Minister of State for Culture and the Digital Economy, that's from 2014 to 2016 in David Cameron's Conservative government, has also recently stepped down as an advisor at Binance, with its Global Advisory Board being disbanded also. So to summarise for all of those in the UK who enjoyed using Binance a few years ago, it's looking extremely unlikely that it will be approved to operate in the UK by the FCA, because no FCA approved UK firm will want to risk working with Binance anytime soon with this court case hanging over it, with this almost certainly going well into 2025. But that ends this video, providing an update on the huge lawsuit against Binance and some other crypto exchanges in the UK. And as always, I'd love to know what you think in the comments below about it. And if you're interested in more of a tailored approach to your crypto education, and you think you'd benefit from having someone look over your shoulder and guide you on your journey, I do offer one-to-one coaching to those who have the desire and the means to educate themselves further. And there are links in the description of this video where you can message me and book in a free video call to see if we'd be a good fit. There are also links to Coinly, Trezor, and to contact Miner in the description of this video also, as I mentioned at the start of the video. And if you found this content interesting, please do like the video and subscribe to the channel, as it really does help. And have a great day.